This video recaps the two main types of research evidence, quantitative and qualitative. First, let's recap the hierarchy of evidence. Systematic reviews are at the top, followed by randomised controlled trials or RCTs, observational designs such as cohort studies, qualitative studies and expert opinions at the bottom. Now let's look at quantitative research methods used when something needs to be measured. A key feature of an experimental design is the hypothesis, a statement of what the researchers think will happen in an experiment. The null hypothesis is the statement saying there will be no relationship between the variables under study, whereas the alternate hypothesis predicts that there will be a relationship between the variables. An RCT is best for studying the effect of an intervention. In an RCT, participants are randomly allocated to the intervention or control group and have an equal chance of being in either group. This means both intervention and control groups are similar at the start so that any differences at the end can be attributed to the intervention. We want to establish if the independent variable, the intervention, has an effect on the dependent variable, the outcome. For example, in children with cerebral palsy, does an exercise training program increase aerobic capacity? In this example, the exercise training program is the independent variable and aerobic capacity is the dependent variable. In quantitative studies, data are analysed using descriptive and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics describe and summarise the data, for example, using measures of central tendency, the mean or average, the median, the middle number when data are in numerical order, and the mode, the category with most values. Inferential statistics use sample data to help draw conclusions about a population. The p-value helps with this. A non-significant p-value of more than 0.05 means the null hypothesis is likely to be true. A significant value of less than 0.05 means the alternate hypothesis is likely to be true. Other examples of quantitative research designs include cross-sectional and cohort studies. Cross-sectional studies collect data at one point in time, whereas cohort studies follow the same group of people over time. Now let's recap on qualitative research evidence, which aims to understand people's beliefs, experiences and attitudes. There are three main types of qualitative research. Phenomenology aims to understand lived experiences, ethnography is the study of people in their own environment, and grounded theory aims to develop theories. Qualitative data are not numerical and are most commonly collected through interviews, focus groups and observation. Data analysis involves reducing large masses of data into smaller, more manageable segments. Please now complete the activities for this tutorial.